Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to format your essay using MLA 8 formatting. So first we're going to go to Insert and we're going to insert a header, and I'm going to click on blank here, and instead of typing here I'm going to go to page number, click on the little arrow there, go to top of page and then click your third option. So I want the third one where the number appears on the right hand side. Next, all you do is type in your last name and remember to hit the space bar so that way there's a space between your last name and the number. And then just close out the header. Next, we're going to complete the heading, and the heading is comprised of 4 parts. So first you have the student's first and last name, then you have the instructor's full name, and then you have the class number, and then a colon and the section number. So everyone's section number might be different. There are 3 sections in this class, so just check your registration on Rail for that. And then finally we have the date. And make sure that you write out the month. Next, we're going to press enter and click on the center icon, and I'm just going to write title. I expect you guys to have a creative title for your essays. Make sure you don't write something like essay 1 or anything generic like that. Next, I'm going to click back on the left align to start my essay, and I'm going to hit that tab button, and I'm going to just start typing, and I'm just going to type a bunch of gibberish here because I want to show you how to make your essay double spaced. So I'm going to highlight this, right click on it, go to paragraph, and then here where it says line spacing, instead of multiple, change that to double. Alright, there you go. So your essay is now double spaced. Next, what we're going to do is insert a page break in order to create the works cited page. So once I'm on a separate page, so sometimes students don't realize they need a separate page within the same document for their works cited. Sometimes they'll just put it in the bottom portion where their conclusion is. So just create a page break so it doesn't mess with the settings of your other, the rest of your essay. So here we're going to click on the center icon again, and I'm going to type works cited, and that's plural because we have 3 works. If you were working with only one source, then this would be singular. So just keep that in mind. And you can see also the page number automatically updated here. So that's the beauty of including that page number in the header. All right, that's it.